If you're looking for a comfortable yet small sofa or couch that also doubles as a futon or bed, keep watching because that's exactly the problem I had to solve when I purchased this Mopio Chloe futon sofa bed. The couch is small, so it's great for my office space, but does expand into a bed, which is perfect for when I have guests stay over and need to utilize my office to double as a guest room. I love that this futon bed is comfortable whether you're sleeping in it or sitting in it. I also really like how it looks. It's got a nice modern design, and the one you're seeing here is in the gray color. I love that I can either sit, lounge, or sleep on this sofa couch depending on how I position it, and it really does feel supportive. It's so much better than those cheap futons out there. Plus, it can hold up to 550 pounds, which is pretty impressive. I also appreciate that there's about 8 inches underneath this sofa couch, so I can also use it to store things that I don't want to see. It's comfortable, it converts between a couch and a bed, it can sleep kids or adults. It's very sturdy and such a great futon sofa couch, especially for a smaller space. Doesn't take up a ton of room. If you're looking for something similar, I would highly recommend checking this out and grabbing your own Mopio Chloe futon sofa bed.